Hey there, crew. August 7th through August 13th. This is week 8 of our strength cycle. So I'm going to go over all of our workouts and movements for the week, what we expect of you, why we do the workouts that we do, the time frame we do them, give you a little bit of an idea of why and the rhyme of reason why we do what we do. So on Monday, we will be doing uh, every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. You'll complete the following. Minute 1 will be push jerk, 5 reps at 75% of your 1 rep max. So we have on there plus or minus 5%. Maybe you're feeling good, the movement's feeling very good for you, and the weight feels light, bump up the weight a little bit. If maybe you're having an off day, maybe that the weight is just not there, pull the weight back a little bit. On minute 2, muscle ups. This can be bar or ring. We're looking for 2 to 4 reps. Okay, on the muscle ups, as well as if you are not proficient at muscle ups, work on some assisted muscle ups on the lower rings, maybe jumping muscle ups. Your coach will have a scale back for all of these. Maybe you've just been wanting to get up on the rings and feel a little more comfortable. You can get up there and just start swinging a little bit, feeling it out, trying to get your hips as high as you can. So on these reps, you can take from off of the ground or from the rack, your preference there. Remember on the push jerk, we're really looking to drive out of the bottom with the legs, right? It's all about the drive through the legs, drive through your hips, punch that bar straight up. We got our WOD, it's called Blame the Coach. Complete the following for time. 3 rounds of 9 power cleans at 115 for men, 75 for women, 7 burpees, 5 pull-ups. So there's a 10-minute time cap. If you're feeling spicy and you want to add a little bit of weight and go a little bit on the gymnastics side, you can use 135 for men, 95 for women. You can do burpee over the bar and muscle ups. So we have muscle ups in the WOD. We've done a few in the EMOM, and that's going to get us ready for the WOD. So that way you're nice and warm for those muscle ups when you get there if you decide to go RX+. We have day 2 here. We are looking at every minute on the minute. For 10 minutes, you're going to complete the following. Minute 1, deadlift, 5 reps at 75% of your 1 rep max. Once again, plus or minus 5%. Minute 2 will be a snatch grip behind the neck Zotz press. So you'll have that with the barbell behind your neck on the snatch grip. So it'll be wide grip and press from overhead at the bottom of the squat. So we're looking for 5 reps with the bar or heavier if you're feeling good. So if you'll notice in all of our EMOMs, we either have a pull with a push, right? So on Tuesday, we've got deadlift, so that's your pull. And for our accessory movement, we have a press, right? So it's pull and press. Then we have our WOD, is called You Go, I Go. With a partner, you're going to complete the following for time. 10 rounds of the following for time. 10 wall balls, 10 toes to bar, 20 double unders. So the way this will work is, if myself and William, our partners, all do 10 wall balls, then he'll do 10 toes to bar. I'll do 20 double unders, then he does 10 wall balls. I do 10 toes to bar, he does 20 double unders. So you're flip-flopping the movements. So essentially you're both going to do 5 rounds of each, but you're getting a slight rest in between. What we're looking for here is that the weight is light enough so that you're able to go unbroken, and that the movements also are unbroken. Maybe you have a little trouble in the double unders. That's why the rep scheme is a little bit shorter than we're used to. So if you've been working on double unders, this is a great way to get better at them, is by doing them in a WOD. The scaled version will be a lighter wall ball. You'll do knee ups and 40 singles in place of the double unders. And right here it says alternate movement. So that's what I mean by partner A does 10 wall balls, partner B does 10 toes to bar. Partner A double unders, partner B wall ball, partner A toes to bar, partner B double unders. 15-minute time cap there. So then we got Wednesday, we've got back squat, 5 reps at 75% of your 1 rep max. In minute 2, we'll have a 20-second L-sit. This can either be from the rig or from the rings. Let's say maybe both of those just don't work out for you. You can work on just hanging from the rig and working your grip strength there. Try to raise one leg instead of both. We've got our WOD, it's called Structured 160. You're going to complete 4 rounds for time of the following. 25 calories for the men, 20 for the women, and 15 shoulder overhead at 95 for men, 75 for the ladies. There's an 18-minute time cap here. So on that overhead shoulder overhead, we're looking for that to be unbroken. Do the best you can at it. By the end of it, you may break down a little bit, and you may muscle fatigue may set in. So, try to break it up in as least amount of reps as possible, right? So, pick it up, do 10, and then drop it. Then you can do 5 more. We've got our WOD for Thursday. This is our aerobic day. So we do these Thursday WODs to get all that lactic acid that's built up in your body throughout the week. If you come consistently through the week, usually people are pretty sore on Wednesdays and Thursdays. So when they get to Thursday, this is the perfect WOD for them to get the body pumping, get the body moving around, the blood flowing, blood sweat going. And what this is going to do is help your body just move around, get that lactic acid that's built up to kind of spread out and kind of get the soreness out of your body. This is one of the most beneficial days in the WOD. So, during the week. So what we're going to be doing is you're going to go for 25 minutes. You'll complete the following. 0 to 10, you will do max distance run. So what we're going to do is just do 400s here. So you're going to go to the road and back for 10 minutes. As many 400s as you can do. And then you'll total up your max distance there. So then right after that, you're going to go straight into max distance row. So you'll be on the row for 10 minutes, get as far as you can in 10 minutes. Then 0 to 25, you'll do max wall ball sit-ups with 20 for men and 14 for the women. So we will score this 3 different scores. So on these Thursdays, we're really looking to just put yourself in cruise control, right? So instead of going all out right out the gate, we're looking for you to 3, 2, 1, go. Start out at about 75 to 80%. And as you go, you should feel like you warm up a little better, you're feeling good, and maybe you can crank it up to 80 or 85, but still keeping it at that coasting pace, right? Maybe at that last minute or 2 minutes, that's when you blow it all out, everything you've got. But we're looking for this to be at a cruising pace. Then we've got our Friday WOD, every minute on the minute for 10 minutes. You'll complete the following. Strict press, 5 reps at 75%. Once again, strict press has no dip, all shoulder press, straight up, arms locked out, head slightly through the window of your shoulders. Minute 2 will be ring rows, 8 to 10 reps. Okay, on those ring rows, the standard is we're looking for your feet to be above your hips, so you'll need a box to do that to get the standard RX version of a ring row. If you can't do that, what you can do is put your feet on the floor, make it a little easier, and if you walk your feet back towards your body, it will make it easier. If you walk your feet forward, it makes it harder. We've got our WOD is OHS 5. Complete as many reps as possible in 5 minutes of the following. Overhead squats, 95 for men, 65 for women. So what we're doing here is going for as many reps as possible in 5 minutes. So if you'll notice in the notes over here, every time you drop the bar, you're going to complete 3 burpees over the bar. So our score is going to be total amount of reps. So let's say I get to 20 reps. I did 20 overhead squats. And then I set the bar down. I would do 3 burpees before I pick the bar back up. Then I would maybe do another 10. So I'm at 30. Drop the bar, and maybe it's 2.5 minutes in. So now I'm going to do 3 more burpees. So every time you set the bar down, it's 3 burpees over the bar. So there's some strategy behind this. But the idea is that this is very short time frame, short time domain. We're looking for you to get as many reps as possible in your sets. Okay, and the weight should not feel super heavy. You should be able to move through this very easily, very consistently. At least get yourself a set of 10 right out the gate. If you have to struggle with singles, then you need to drop the weight. The weight is not meant to be super heavy. We've got our WOD on Saturday is called Dubs OHSDBS RC Run. Complete as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes of the following. With a partner, you'll do 80 double unders, 40 overhead dumbbell squats, 5 rope climbs, and a 200-meter run. Okay, so the scale back for the rope climbs. The scale for the rope climbs will be 2 rope climb variations or 5 strict pull-ups. So we haven't done rope climbs in a while, so we're throwing that into the WOD. So we've got a double unders, get you going aerobically, and we've got an overhead squat. So we've got the squat, and then rope climbs are going to be a full body pull, and then run to get that aerobic capacity going again. So the run will be together. So there's some strategy behind this. You can break it up however you want, but you must run together. Maybe you have somebody who can do all the rope climbs and the other person can do all the double unders. You and your partner decide how that goes. Try to work on these. It's a great time to work on double unders and a great time to work on rope climbs. So this has been Coach Fuse for your descriptions of the workouts for the week, giving you a little bit of detail, and we'll go into more detail during the class during the week. Have a great day.